To use a Grubhub gift card, start by going to the Grubhub website or opening the Grubhub mobile app. Once you are on the website or app, create an account or log in to your existing account if you have one. Next, click on the profile icon and select gift cards from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Add a gift card and enter the gift card number and PIN. The gift card number and PIN can be found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if you received a digital gift card. After entering the gift card details, click Add to add the gift card to your account. You can now view your gift card balance and use it to pay for your orders. To use the gift card, simply select the food you want to order and proceed to checkout. At checkout, select the gift card as your payment method and the amount will be deducted from your gift card balance. If the order total exceeds the gift card balance, you can use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is also important to note that Grubhub gift cards do not expire and can be used at any Grubhub participating restaurant. Additionally, you can check your gift card balance at any time by going to the gift cards section of your account. By following these steps, you can easily use your Grubhub gift card to enjoy your favorite food from your favorite restaurants. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any issues during checkout.